Welcome students, and today is September 5th, Teachers Day. We are teachers because you accepted us as teachers. You have given us the position to be a teacher. So thank you all for that. And today I am going to discuss with you two things. One, share with you about my teachers and my experiences with teachers. And second, I want to share with you certain message. If you implement in life, you will grow, you will succeed, and as a teacher, treat it as a Guru Dakshina. Okay, let's start. Now, first thing. When I was doing my graduation, I attended degree second year tuitions with Chandrasekhar Gaud sir. And the clarity, the confidence with which he taught, the completeness with which he taught degree subjects helped me to complete my CMA. His brother, Pavan sir, also taught me certain subjects like taxation, holding companies, and that helped me to complete my CMA final. That means many a times we ignore graduation subjects and we just study one day batting, that's all. But if you study such subjects in depth, even it helps you in completing CMA. And that's what my experience is. When I joined CMA Institute, I attended classes with Mr. Vijay Kiran Agastya sir. He is my mentor at CMA chapter. Again, one thing, a difficulty for me, I cannot see the board. I cannot see and write whatever is taught, the numerical problems or anything. But the way Pavan sir, the way Chandrasekhar sir, the way Vijay Kiran sir taught the classes, even by listening to the classes, I was to solve toughest problems like probability, calculus, linear programming. And that is what the power of a teacher is. That the difficult tasks, whatever it may be in life, they will make it simple for you. And I really thank all the teachers who contributed in my life to become a successful CMA and make a career out of it. After that, I met Naveen sir. He did not teach me any subject, but he taught me how to teach a subject. I learned from him one principle: known to unknown. Suppose if you have to guide somebody about a route, you will ask him where you are, and from there you will guide such person. And this is how a subject has to be taught. Naveen sir taught to me. And that helped me to help thousands of students, and I thank Naveen sir for it. And finally, I'll name Varaprasad sir, who is continuously guiding me, motivating me to fight in life and become successful. He always tells, bounce back. And definitely, whatever tough situations I may be in, definitely we can bounce back, we can become successful if such wonderful cooperating teachers are with us. Now, I thank all the teachers whom I did not name. Everybody, I learned something or the others. Yes, now I am sharing something with you. That investment in cash may crash. Investment in assets may crash. You may lose it. But if you invest in your brain, if you invest in learning, that always will remain with you for your lifetime. So give time to invest in learning. Whatever concepts, whatever subjects you are learning, whatever stream you may be doing, but do it with logical studies, with conceptual clarity, with practical understanding. All this, learn not with a short-term vision to just clear the exams. Learn with a vision to use the knowledge for the next 50, to 60 years of your career. And if you do this, you'll clear exams. Not only that, you'll rock in your career. With this, I want to tell that follow these ideas either as a duty or as a Guru Dakshina to me or as a suggestion given by a friend. Whatever it may be, follow, you'll get the results out of it for sure. And finally, thank you all for being with me. Thank you all for all the love and affection what you have given to me as a teacher. And yes, keep in touch. Any help, any support as a teacher, I am there with all of you.